Hi guys, today in this video I'll be teaching you a unique strategy I have used to become profitable over time, and it's called the 1 hour chart pattern strategy. In case you're just joining my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button so you get to see more of this type of videos on becoming a profitable forex trader. Okay, right now we'll be diving straight to that strategy, which is the double bottom. We are all familiar with the double bottom, which is when the market does something like this. The structure is something like this. This is the double bottom. Okay, before we dive into that, I would like to explain what the double bottom simply means. The double bottom is simply when price comes to an extent and there is a pullback and it retests the previous place. So this is the double bottom, and the same thing is equivalent up to. You can see it, top and double bottom. So this is a strategy I use to trade the forex market, but you might be conversant with the double bottom, but there is a strategy behind this double bottom which I use to trade and become profitable. We'll dive into that. So using the double bottom strategy, here we have price coming down and it gets to its point and it gives us a pullback. After the pullbacks, it tries to retest the previous low, but at the attempt of that it fails. Okay, but we have not yet gotten the double bottom structure, so we cannot make a decision to take a trade. So how do we have our confirmation? First of all, as the price struggles to break down to the previous uh, place it tested, what we do, we draw a box, a zone. In this zone, you're supposed to wait so the price gives you the double bottom shape. But while we're waiting, if the price, the candle stops in the box here and gives you a wick, it's a confirmation. Then if the candle doesn't stop in this region and the candle stops maybe probably up here and the wick comes in, it's still a confirmation for the double bottom. But if the candle goes outside our region and closes outside and draws a wick, it is invalid. So that's not a double bottom. But once we have confirmed a double bottom here, so you come to the highest high where it started the pullback, the wick there, the highest wick, that's the candle. You have a highest wick there. So when you get there, you put a trend line where you're going to pick your trade. Not necessarily picking your trade here. In this case, I would use a buy stop. Invariably, you're telling your broker or you're telling the market, when price gets here, you pick a buy. When you do that, you come down and then the last week there, you put your stop loss at 30 pips or more. You might want to increase it 40 pips or 50 pips, fine, but you give a little gap, for a little space for your stop loss. Then you watch the trade. With this pattern, I've been able to make profit constantly. Just looking very simple, but it is very strategic. I call it the 1 hour chart pattern strategy. So I repeat again very fast. We're looking out for a double bottom. The price comes to this point and makes it a retest and struggles to get down here, but we have not gotten the structure yet. These are the two things you look out for before you get your confirmation that this is a double bottom. One, price comes in your region and closes with a wick. That's a confirmation. Price comes outside the candle and with a wick it closes. That's a confirmation. But when your candle comes outside the region you've drawn with a wick, that is invalid. That is not a double bottom. So with that, it continues up, and then you now use a buy stop order, which is when price comes to the last candle where it did a retest with a wick, you pick a buy stop order there, and you see how it plays out. Price goes to your way. But if you see it outside your region with the wick closed, you know price is definitely gonna continue at a bearish pattern. Thank you for watching. You want to see more of this video, follow on Instagram at probabafx or follow on Instagram at probabafx academy. You see more of these videos. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.